Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to plant pole beans in a raised bed. Here's a clip from the show. Peas are out, we're getting ready to put beans in. So in the soil, I added some of the Happy Frog fruit and flower fertilizer. No compost, because beans are nitrogen fixers, so they take nitrogen out of the air and put it in the ground. And if I have too much nitrogen in the soil, it'll burn up the bean plants and they won't grow well. The other thing we did is we went ahead and put our trellises up for now so that they're out of the way until we need them in 3 or 4 weeks. But we had 6 trellis lines across here for the peas. I think that was a little too dense, so I trimmed it down to 5. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're skipping this one. There's no trellis on it. And then 5 is here. So we're going to go with a little less density and see if we can not get that rot down inside. Most of that was caused by the cold weather, but I do think that I planted a little too much, so we're just going to knock that back. All right, so what I have here is, this is a Cobra, which is a trellised bean. It's a vining bean. It's a beautiful, beautiful black bean here. And we're going to do a line here under each trellis, and we're going to put a bean about every 2 inches. We'll keep that density just a little lower than the peas. And we'll get this all planted up. There's a roly-poly. And then it'll be warm enough here for the beans to grow well. So a change in the weather is in the forecast. Alrighty, so the beans are in, planted about every 2 inches, about a ½ inch down. Got the grass clippings on top. We'll get this all watered, put a couple marigolds in the corners just for some fun. And this section is done, and we'll wait for the beans to come up. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 8, Week 16. And if you would like to watch the beans grow throughout the season, you want to enroll in the High Performance Garden Show, and we'll show you the beans as they grow. And it's free and it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.